I'm Rika from Rika's Crafty Creations, and in this video we are styling my china cabinet for Valentine's Day. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button and come along with me as I show you my china cabinet and my buffet. Here is the before picture of my buffet, and then we are going to style this together. I'll show you step by step how I did it, and we are going to have some fun. So come along with me. So I'm getting ready to transform my buffet from Christmas to Valentine's Day. So I just want to give you just an overview of the before, and then we will work together to get it transformed to Valentine's Day. So here you just see me cleaning off everything, just starting with a blank slate, just removing Mr. Elf, and I'm shaking out the table runner, because I'm going to use that again. And of course I'm just wiping everything down, make sure we've removed everything from Christmas. And now I'm just, I filmed this on different days, so you're going to see a lot of wardrobe changes. But I was thinking about using my chargers, my plate chargers. So I'm just using what I had. I'm trying to keep this as low cost as possible. And I thought that I would just, I was kind of playing with it. Didn't know if I wanted to use a buffalo check or the white. And I just put all my chargers on the plate holders. And now I am just pulling out my vases and just making just simple flower arrangements with my tulips. And using the white, the dark pink, and the light pink. Just create something very simple. All this right now is stuff that I already had in my stash. So I'm just trying to just reuse what I had from last year. And then some of these white vases are actual vases, and then some of them are the white canisters, you know, the ones you put like your flour, your sugar in and all that. I wasn't using them, so I decided to use them as vases. So I stocked up on the tulips and things last year at Michael's when the tulips were like 70% off. So I remember they were maybe $3 a bundle, something like that. So I just stocked up on them last year and then reusing them this year. And this is a look of my china cabinet before, and it's how I had it decorated for Christmas. So we're going to get rid of all of this, say goodbye to Christmas, and start saying hello to Valentine's Day. So same thing, we're just removing everything, wiping it all down. And this really kind of helped to pack away Christmas. And then you just get things ready for the new season. So I ended up playing with these things, but I really liked the tulips. I felt like they added a lot of color to this otherwise blank space. And I'm really using those wreaths, they're paper or foam wreaths maybe from Dollar Tree. That bloom I got from Target last year. That's the only thing that I have in pink for right now. And this is what it looks like so far. So I put my white lanterns in there. I made a little bow swag for one of the lanterns. And used the gnomes. The gray I thought worked out really well with the pink. I had those gnomes for Christmas, but I'm just kind of reusing them again for Valentine's Day. So this is just a simple look. And now we are back at it. Round 2. And I think I need a little bit more color in places. And I got that love from Target this year, and I spray painted it red. And I thought for a little bit more color, maybe I could put the chargers as a backdrop. So I'm playing with that. That home was a little too low. Once I closed the cabinet, you couldn't see home. So I used some little vases as risers. And once it's closed, then you'll be able to still see the word home. And now I'm just putting the trucks in. I think the final touches, maybe just kind of playing with it. That's one thing I love about decor is if you don't like it, you can move it around. So here is the final look of my china cabinet. And I'm really excited about the way that it came out. I really hope that you enjoyed the journey with me. It's just so much fun playing with things that you already had. I got the home sign from Target. The tulips are things I had year after year. If you watched one of my previous videos, you saw the planner box that we put together. And you just look for Valentine's Day planner box in my videos. I can link that one below. And the love I got from Target. And I just spray painted it red. I got the red trucks from Hobby Lobby at Christmas time. And they make great little arrangements. But this was my simple attempt at a buffet or china cabinet for Valentine's Day. So I encourage you to use what you have, get creative, and you too will make it beautiful for your own home. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.